Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Bungle Collects. This is episode 4 of our little mini-series going through £1,000 worth of 50 pences. If you haven't seen 1, 2 or 3, do go back and watch it. If you are going back and watch it, we are going to review the finds of everything we found. We want to know whether we're going to recover the bank charges that we're being charged for getting this £1,000 worth of 50 pences in and out the bank. Right, this bank bag is dated the 2nd of August 2022. And there's a Clifton suspension bridge on it, and I just think it's really interesting. We've been there, and we've been over it in Bristol, and Lady M had a fun fact about that. She reminded me. I did know this, but it never even crossed my mind. They might not have heard that. You might want to say that again, Lady. I'm sorry, because I was very rudely jangling coins whilst you were talking there. So
it was designed by Isambard Kingdom Brunel, who happens to have himself on 2 coins, but they are £2 coins. So yeah.
Brexit. Yes, commemorated on 2 coins. One is picture, his portrait on a £2 coin, and then the other one celebrating his achievements. And the arches of Paddington Station are on that coin.
Yep.
Not the Clifton suspension bridge, but it could be, couldn't it?
It could.
It'd quite happily be quite nice. That has been
nice, yeah.
Been bridges on coins before, bridges on the pound piece. So why not the Clifton suspension bridge? So yes, I'm quite excited about this hunt. I just we've got a Scouts, we've got a Scoots. There we go. Nice, quite a high mintage, but nice to find nonetheless. Don't find it that often, do we really? Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Do we know why Lady M would be super duper disappointed to find such a lovely coin?
Even in its grubby state. That is devastating.
Pray tell, Lady M, pray tell.
Yep, so that is the Suffragettes, and that is one of the coins that I still need.
Jeremy Toad, boy. You do. So yes, we've got a year-long challenge, trying to fill up our coin albums, trying to find every single commemorative coin that you can find from the 50 pence variety. And unfortunately, it's my book in this episode, and I've already got that, but Lady M hasn't.
Well, still time yet.
It's a blocker. It's a blocker. I've blocked Lady M finding it. There is Sherlock Holmes. Although you'll find out at the end of this video there's a diversity. You'll find at the end of this video that that's not the first time this is. Oh, he's a plum. He's a plum. It's not the first time it's happened in this series. Here's a plum, Lady M. This will get some of our coin money back. Look at that.
Oh, nice.
Look at that underneath there as well.
Wow.
That's a beauty. Is it? We can make it 3. No. So yes, this will.
Excuse me.
Oh, God, Lady M's having a cough of a lung. She's so excited. So yes, they are definitely worth more than the face value that is printed on them. Peter Rabbit is a good £5 worth. £5, only 1.4 million minted. Cycling around about 2 million, I think. It's not a very nice condition. Probably a quid that I would imagine in that kind of state. But yes, look at them 3. Look at them 3 plums. I did have a good feeling about this hunt, Lady M. I wonder if I need cycling. I've got a feeling I don't need cycling.
Right.
But I did have a good feeling about the Clifton suspension bridge. Right. So it's always a gamble, isn't it?
It is.
When you get rolly over bags. Could just be someone has hunted through them and took them back to the bank. But at the same time, it could be someone's cashed in. The coins are being collected and I don't know what treasure they have in their pockets. There is a Christopher Ironside. There is a Paddington at the Tower. Yes, we're definitely having a nice little run of commemorative coins there. Let's have a little quick look at the book. Do I need cycling?
No.
No, I don't. So I will get that. But don't worry though, that will get snapped away into the collection. The Olympic collection.
Roger Bannister.
Because even in a terrible state, an Olympic is still an Olympic and still worth having. And if you haven't got it in your collection, then you're not bothered. For me, I'm not bothered what condition it's in. If you need it, you need it.
Absolutely.
There's a second diversity of this hunt. Plenty of them around. So I'll stick a bit of an accent in there for you, Lady M, just so you can get your gears going. can't beat her. Can't beat throwing in something a little bit different in the proceedings every now and again. Bit of a curveball. Speaking of accents, do you have a favourite accent?
I don't think I have a specific favourite. I like a few different ones.
You want to name some of the accents that you like?
I like Irish.
Oh, to be sure.
Right. There's a tailgate rabbit.
Which is another tower. Any others?
I like some American accents.
Hey man, that's real cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
You probably like all that, like the yeehaw accent, do you? Because you like your country music, don't you?
Yeah.
Can you do an American?
No.
Hey y'all. That's like cool. Yeah. Any more? Do you want any more? Who knew that this was turning into voices from around the world? This is an international coin hunt. There's another diversity Bill Britain. Any others?
No, I'm going to get into trouble at some point.
Okay, and I guess I don't think you'll answer this because you're too nice, but is there an accent in the UK that you do not like?
Get in.
Oh,
get in,
what?
Get
What?
in, get
Oh,
in,
wowzers.
Get in.
Wowzers.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, what am I thinking? This is your hunt.
Oh! Class. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, honestly, talk about going out with a bang in this little mini series.
Oh,
Hey.
genuine. Oh.
Hey. That just makes it funny
Not even looking
that
at
you thought it might be 2018. You never know. It makes it funny that you thought because Lady M needs this. In fact, that's 2 you need now out of this hunt.
You distracted me with your silly accent.
Oh, yes. Oh, class.
Oh,
there's
the first bunny. No, honest to God.
Oh, honestly, that kind of like makes it so funny that you were so happy, and then you realise it comes crashing down. So never mind, Lady. I'm still in with a chance. And is there only? I think there's only 4 weeks left after this episode. There's four more weeks left. So I've only got 4 more chances. Although I am hoping to do a mega hunt on New Year's Eve, if possible. It'll depend whether I'm winning or not at the time.
Oh, I was just about to say that's probably bloody Kew Gardens at this rate. It's not, thank goodness.
Oh, that's funny.
Games.
That is funny.
No, it wasn't.
Never mind.
My day.
And honestly, I had a good feeling. Were you going out with a bang? Episode 4 is the business. I had a good feeling. The Clifton suspension bridge. We've been over it. Channeling the love of Isambard Kingdom Brunel. I tell you what, as well. I don't think we ever finished the conversation we had. Was it in episode 2 about what the most exciting thing in your life was?
I was hoping you'd forgotten.
I don't think you ever answered.
I didn't.
I'm sure by now that there's a bunny. How many did you say?
I don't think I did.
I'm sure by now there'll be.
I'll say 3.
Oh, right, I'm going to say 2. There'll be people by now that'll put in the comments saying, well, Lady M never answered the question, so you've got about 5 bags left to tell me what was an exciting event in your life.
The bunny.
How many did I say?
You said 2.
22, was it?
That makes it 3.
22.
Which is what I said.
Did you just call me an said there?
I did, and there's a 17 shield.
Lovely. How then?
Oh, I don't know.
You must be able to name something exciting in your life. I mean, I know you've been married for 26 years to an absolute hero of a man. So there must have been something in them 26 years that give you some element of enjoyment.
Yeah, I've been on some amazing holidays.
What's been your favourite holiday?
Oh.
Where would you go back to? Right now, you've got 10 seconds to pick somewhere to go back to. Otherwise, you can't go anywhere ever again. So go 10.
Disney World. Sorry.
Disney World. That's where you go.
Yeah.
Right. Nice. Let's go.
As long as money's no object.
Yeah. Let's start our.
Upsets me how expensive it is at the moment.
Let's start a GoFundMe page.
Oh,
Send Lady M to Disney World. Poor Lady M. You know, Lady M was a poor, long-suffering coin hunter's wife. She needs to be sent to Disney World, or she will. Oh no! I gotta say that. There's another bunny. Nice one. You bust. You have bust. It's over. It's void. It's void. Didn't I say 5?
No, you just said 2 minutes ago.
Well, I meant 5.
Oh.
I did mean 5.
Just because you say that doesn't say it's right. Finish on a dictionary.
Finish on a dictionary. Nice. Oh, well, that's lovely, that, isn't it? That's good. That's going to go through the plum finds, and we might have a chance here of getting our 20 quid back. You know what I mean? Or not lost money in inverted commas from the bank charges. So if you want to get the 4, this Mark, get them 4 big boys in there. Honestly, this pig is the RSPC is going to be on to us because he's just so full and just so heavy of bending for me. Can't wait to get him counted and find that I've got far more in there than you've got in your little poxy little money box. Right, so are you cleaning? Is it me? I'm cleaning. It looks like I'm cleaning the next lady.
You know what you want and what you don't want.
Right, let's review the plums. The plums. The keepers. You're still gutted.
I am genuinely upset.
Ooh, look at them. Look at them beauties. An Isaac Newton, a Suffragettes, a Cycling, a Peter Rabbit, and a 2017 Shield.
I didn't pick it because you were so excited about the fact that it was collected suspension. I could have had it.
Oh well, what a shame, man.
What a shame. The oldest one.
Look at them. August. Honestly, you don't get. Honestly, we haven't had a hunt this good for. Oh, I can't remember. Right, let's get. Do you want to bring the other coins into the proceedings then, Lady M? So that's episode 4. Let's have a little tot up. Is that 3?
I think so. I don't know if you put them in order.
Yes, I did. Yeah, of course, absolutely logical order, man. I'm a logical person. You know what I mean? Absolute hero. Coin flipping legend. I didn't get where I am today by not putting coins in a particular order. Oh, are you seriously fuming?
Just disappointed.
Oh, let's see. Got quite a lot of finds in the first episode, didn't we? Right, let's see what we've got. Let's do a run in total. So this is everything, or all the keepers, the star finds that we found in the first 4 episodes. So we're already. So it's cost us £20 to take out and put back in coins into the bank. We were down. Was it 60 pence in the end, or was it 50 pence?
No, because it was.
That was 40.
It was 60 pence out of one bag, and
yeah. So we're down £1 because someone did us for by only putting them in the bag. So £21. Are we going to make our £21 back? Let's start with episode 1. Battle of Britain. 75 pence, but for easy maths, I'm calling it £1. Right, £1. We got hockey. Oh, it's not in great. It's not in the superbest of conditions. It's at least £2. It's at least 2. I say £2. £2.25, and that'll offset that 75 pence. So that's £3. That in that condition, £4. 2020 Shield, no, nothing. I just kept that for the laughs. Paddington at the Palace, no, that's just face value. Squirrel Nutkin, and Benjamin Britten, maybe 75 pence each. So that's what I say,
£3.50.
No, 3, 4, £5.50. Yeah, 3.
3,
no.
4. You said none of them were worth anything. So
no, I'm saying £1 for panning the station.
Oh,
didn't
did
I?
you? Sorry.
I think so. So, £3 for that, £4 for.
No, that's only because it's already worth 50 pence.
Oh yeah.
So if it's only worth £1, you've only made 50 pence.
Oh, flipping heck, that's not good, is it? This is getting even worse. Right, start again then. So in episode 1. All right, we've got a calculator. Right, so Battle of Britain. Now I'm going to say it's worth an additional 50p, and that's worth an additional £2. So that's £2.50, £3.
It's worth £3.
Oh, flipping heck! I've just added up, and this is just you're making this hard work. What's?
So you're saying that's worth £1?
Yeah.
So it's worth 50. It's
Yeah.
An additional
I think that's it. £3, didn't I? So we're £3 up. We're £3 up.
Add it on the calculator.
Oh man, else you give me such a hard time. You knows what you people know what I have to put up with all the time. She's like this all the time. She's glaring at me. She's going to be absolutely fuming. Oh, she's sucking in. If you add another 50 pence in there, add another 50 pence, is 25 pence each in that. Right, so what did episode 1 make us?
£3.50.
£3.50. Right. That one.
But minus the what we lost on.
It's cost us £21, and then we need to take that off it at the end. Honestly, flip a neck. Oh, could you have got some patience? Right, add another 50p on for the Queen's Jubilee. We're in episode 2 now. I'm not going to add anything on there because it's such poor condition. And add another 25. Add another 50 pence on for Beatrix Potter. We're being generous there, but it's in nice condition. What are we up to now? 2 episodes, we're £4.50 up. Right, we've got a 2017 Shield here. 2 of. No, that's not. 1 of. Add 25 pence for that. It'll be worth 75p. This one, we just kept it in case it was some kind of error with the scratch down the Queen's face. I don't think it is, but you never know. That one's just a nice condition libraries, but not worth anything. Add an extra £1 on. These are worth an extra 50 pence each. Right, so what now? Episode 3?
£5.75.
£5.75, right. And now, this episode. So Peter Rabbit is worth at least another £4.50. At least another £4.50. Suffragette is not in good condition. I mean, I've seen these go for like £3 Suffragette, but it's not in very nice condition. Oh, flip a neck. Oh, add 75 pence on. Add 75 pence on for that. Isaac Newton. Now he's in nice condition. Looks like good in my collection. He's not going in your book, is he? So add. I'm gonna add 350 on there. Add that. I'm being generous, but it might be me. I'm gonna add £3.50 because he's in nice condition, and add 75 pence on for that because it's an Olympic, but it is not in very nice condition. Right. So we've got a total of £15.25. So that means that we're down what? £5.75. Yeah. It shows you, like, doesn't it, where you think about, I mean, unless hopefully coins will appreciate in value as time goes on, you never know. But without this hunt, flip a neck, we'd have been struggling, wouldn't we? Other than obviously the entertainment value and all the rest of it, and it's the hobby of looking through it. It's not about the money. It was just it's just something interesting, isn't it? So there we go. So we're down, but we're up because we're loving life and loving coin hunts. And hopefully, Lady Anne, we will coin hunt together forever and a day.
Oh, sorry. You want to respond? Yes, do you?
I'm very enthusiastic. Right, anyway, so if you haven't seen episode 1, 2 and 3, they're the coins we found, but do watch them anyway. And hopefully you've enjoyed this little mini-series. Only 4 weeks till the end of the year, and let's see who gets, let's see whose book is the full at the end of it. Let's see whose pig or money box is the fullest at the end of it. I can't wait. And in the meantime, these are getting snaffled away into the collection. Right, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.